Imagine waking up one day and realizing you never need to step into a bank branch again. No more long lines, no more paperwork, and no more waiting for the bank to open. Your money is safely stored, invested, and easily accessible, all at the tap of a finger. This is the reality with online banks. But here's the big question. What really happens to your money in an online bank? And what does the future of online banking hold for us? Stay with me as we explore how your money is handled in these digital-only banks and why the future of banking is already here in your pocket. Online banks are no longer a futuristic concept. They're already here. Traditional banks used to dominate the world of finance with their physical branches and long-established networks. But the rise of digital technology has changed everything. People are now looking for easier, faster, and cheaper alternatives to manage their finances. Enter online banks. These banks are purely digital, meaning they don't have physical branches like traditional banks. Everything is managed through apps or websites. So, what does this mean for your money? Simply put, your money is being held in digital form within the bank's system, and transactions are completed over the internet, rather than requiring you to physically go to a bank branch. When you deposit money in an online bank, where does it go? Is it safe? The money you deposit into an online bank is stored in a secure digital account. But where is that account and how is it protected? Online banks are typically backed by larger, established financial institutions, or they operate as fully licensed banks themselves. Your deposits are insured by organizations like the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, in the U.S., meaning they are protected up to a certain amount, typically $250,000 per depositor. Unlike traditional banks that require physical infrastructure to hold and manage your money, online banks use cloud-based technologies and advanced encryption to keep your funds safe. These banks invest heavily in cybersecurity to protect your money from hackers, fraudsters, and other cyber threats. Let's talk about how your money moves in an online bank. For example, if you want to send money to someone, you simply use your app to initiate a transfer. Online banks rely on real-time payments, RTP, and automated clearinghouse, ACH, networks, which enable faster and more efficient transfers. Traditional banks often take 1 to 3 business days to process transfers, but online banks can process many of them instantly or within hours. But how is this possible? Unlike traditional banks with physical branches and ATMs, online banks operate without the overhead costs of maintaining such infrastructure. This allows them to pass on the savings to you by offering better interest rates and lower fees. When you deposit money, it's digitally processed in real time, allowing for better liquidity management and faster transfers. One of the most common concerns people have about online banks is security. After all, your money is sitting on a digital platform. How can you be sure it's safe? Well, online banks use state-of-the-art security technologies to protect your funds. This includes encryption, multi-factor authentication, firewalls, and fraud detection systems. Moreover, because online banks don't have the same overheads as traditional banks, they often reinvest savings into cutting-edge security technology. For example, two-factor authentication, 2FA, ensures that you need more than just a password to access your account. Even if someone tries to hack into your account, they won't be able to get access without the second verification method. Online banks also use artificial intelligence, AI, to monitor suspicious activity in real time. If there's an unusual transaction, AI can flag it immediately, alerting both you and the bank to take action. As we move toward the future, online banking will continue to evolve, driven by technological advancements. One of the key areas where online banks are leading the way is automation. From setting up automatic savings to investing in the stock market with the tap of a button, the future of banking is about simplifying and streamlining every part of the process. Another exciting development is the integration of blockchain technology. Blockchain, known for its use in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, can make online banking even more secure by creating transparent and immutable transaction records. This could reduce fraud, lower transaction fees, and make cross-border payments faster and cheaper. Additionally, artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning are enabling banks to provide personalized financial advice. For example, AI can analyze your spending habits and offer tailored advice on how to save or invest. Over time, these systems will become even more sophisticated, helping you make better financial decisions. One thing is clear: the future of banking is fully digital, and online banks are at the forefront of this revolution. They're paving the way for a world where you don't have to worry about physical locations, long wait times, or high fees. Instead, you'll have all the tools you need to manage your money in the palm of your hand. So, what happens to your money in an online bank? It's safe, secure, and managed using cutting-edge technology. The future of banking is already here, and it's in your hands. Whether you're looking for convenience, better interest rates, or enhanced security, online banks offer all of this and more. Do you think online banks will replace traditional banking, or will they coexist? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and make sure to subscribe for more insights into the future of finance. Thanks for watching, and stay ahead of the curve.